you recall in our previous episode, we created these edit, destroy, and new links for managing the episodes right here. Now this works. In fact, I implemented these so that they're fully functional. But the problem is that these are available to everyone to see, the public and anyone who comes to the site. That's not good. We don't want our public editing our episodes, so we need to restrict it to only the users who have permission to edit them. Now to do that, I'll show you what I like to do. Let's go to our index section, which here lists our episodes. And these are our links for managing the episodes. So I want to hide them if the admin. So only show it if the user is an admin. All right, let's try that. Now this will not work because I haven't implemented this admin method yet. So let me implement that. The question is where to put it. Since this is being accessed in the view, you would think in the application helper module so that it can be accessed from all views. But I also want to access this method from the controller as well. So what I want to do is put it inside the application controller. Let's make it protected so that it can't be accessed everywhere. And for now, let's just return false, just for testing. I'm going to implement this in a future episode. But it still will not work because this just makes it available to all controllers, but we want it available to the view as well. To do that, we have to call helper method and make this method a helper method. This defines, you can append different kinds of methods here to set which methods should be available to the view as well. So now let's try it again, and it works. Our links are successfully hidden. But this is still not entirely secure. And the problem is that if you go up here in the URL, you can manually get to the admin pages. And that's not good. We need to restrict these pages, and we can do that with a before filter. So let's go to our episodes controller, which has all of our actions for managing the episodes. We need to create a before filter here. And let's just call it authorize. We haven't implemented this yet, but I will. And we want authorize except the index action. If we wanted more methods public, we can just add these in an array here, but only need one. We'll just specify index. And so let's make this authorize method. I'll put it in the application controller again, so it's available to all controllers. And let's do unless admin, and we can make a flash error here. Unauthorized access, and redirect to the home page. And also return false, so that the no other actions are executed after this. It doesn't execute the official action, otherwise it will. Okay. So now we reload this, and we get redirected to the home page with this unauthorized access message, just like we want. So this is all working. Obviously, we need to implement this admin method, because we need to have it return true or false depending on whether or not the current user is an admin. But I'm going to get to that in our next episode. Hey, do me a favor and check out our sponsor, peepcode.com, to make excellent Ruby on Rails screencasts, so it should be right up your alley.